You're driving me crazy, driving me crazy, driving me crazy. Your body's made.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, FunX Creation. Huh? What happened? Why are you guys staring at me like this? Is there something wrong? Oh, now I see. You guys don't see Tweezer here, so you guys are wondering where she is, right? Okay, let me tell you, she's actually sleeping right now. She's so tired that she just said that she needs rest, and that's why she went to take a nap, so don't mind that, please. I'm here and I'm telling you guys that today's video is really very interesting, so if you guys want to see, then without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go! Okay, so here's a short backstory to this video. Actually, I just love anything which is fairy tale or something like princesses and all that stuff. So one day I was just sitting and I was, taking out my doll collection and I was just cleaning them, and then I got an idea that what if I can customize all my old dolls into Disney princesses, like actual Disney princesses. So that day I was also making some videos for you guys back then, so I thought why not let's make the tutorial also, so that my viewers can also make Disney princesses, because I know many girls out there who are watching this video, I know you guys also love Disney princesses, but it's not so affordable, so you can't get it everywhere. So I thought this, and then I got a request from my viewer, which was a few days back, that she wanted to see me make Princess Jasmine from Aladdin and in the song Speechless. So I decided that why not, let's make it. So things I'll need: old doll, fabrics, lots of glitter, silk thread. So as you can see, I've taken this doll and it's an old doll, as you can see. You can also take a new one and customize that, no worries. So I have taken this bright pink, you can say hot pink fabric in this shape. As you can see, I've taken 4 of them and with equal size. So now what I'll do, I'll take my glitter and I'll just put some dots on this fabric. If you don't find glittered fabric, you can do this, but if you have a glitter fabric, then you can just skip this step. So now I'll start gluing them together with a fabric glue. So this part, only this part will be get glued together, and then I'll just repeat this on the second one as well. Over here, as you can see, I'm not attaching this completely to the end. So this is how these two looks right now, and now I just take the glue and attach the 2 other ends also. So make sure you do just how I'm doing. And make sure you take the glittered side above, so you don't have to hide that. And once this is done, as you can see, it's looking something like this. And now I'll just start making the frills over here, and I've not attached the second part, so you just have to leave it as it is, and then you have to make the frill.
which I've taken, you just have to stick it in the middle and also for the bottom base. And over here I've put the glitter glue, which I already did, the golden glitter glue. And now again I'll just take my needle and thread and start making the ruffle from here. So the frill will go over here again. I'll just stick it in the front side, so that will create the perfect look. And as you can see, this is the green paint which I did. Now I'll just take the black thread and I'll start making her hairs. So you just have to take any cardboard or white paper and you just have to fold a lot of black silk thread, and then you have to take a silk thread out and then tie it. So you just have to tie it into a knot. Once that is done, you have to cut it from the middle, so you will get something like this. So I made lots of hair strands like this, as you can see, and one is slightly short which can go in front. So I'll start with the shorter one first in the front, and then I'll keep on adding it for the back side. So this is the other hair strand, and make sure you just keep on adding the hair strands like this until her head gets completely covered with the silk thread and that looks completed. Then only you have to stop, otherwise you only have to keep on adding these. And in all my previous doll videos, I've made the hairs just like this, so it's really easy once you get your hands fixed on it. So now I'll just take 2 strands from the starting and I'll make the hairstyle which she has. So it's just a half updo sort of hairstyle, and I'll just take the strands and stick it with hot glue gun. Or you can also tie it with a rubber band, but you don't have the rubber band to show because that's where the jewelry will be attached, the hair jewelry. So now for the hair accessory, what I'll do, I'll just take the same glitter foam sheet and I'll attach it over here into a smiley face, you can say, little bit. I'll just attach it over here like this. And once that is done, I'll just attach 2 of them, and then the golden embellishment which I already have, I'll just attach those 2 also on each of the sides. So it's looking something like this, and you can see it's so shiny and pretty, like I just can't believe. And then I'll just take those golden glitter paper again, and I'll just take and stick these on the hands for the bracelets and all that. So you just have to complete her look by looking at the picture and just doing the embellishments. So over here goes the earrings. So you can see it has golden and teal green effect which she has in her original dress as well. So you just have to do that. And as you can see, this is how she looks right now. Don't worry, it's not completed yet. You can also add a crown to her hair, but in the song sometimes she has the crown, sometimes she doesn't. So if you don't add the crown, it will be okay for that also. But I have added because I wanted to make Disney Princess Jasmine. So I've added the crown also to complete the look. Now for her sandals, what I'll do is that I'll just make my DIY glitter paint, which is glitter, dust and glue, and then I'll just paint this yellow heels which I had from my previous doll, and then after it gets dried, I'll just make Princess Jasmine wear that, and then you get the completed Jasmine. Okay, so here's the final look of Princess Jasmine from the song Speechless. I'm just so in love with this look, and as you know, the traditional Jasmine look is also very hit, and it's really